Good morning everyone. Today we will read our new lesson of Unit 1, Neha's Alarm Clock. Let us first read it with correct pronunciation. Narrator. Now, first of all, who is a narrator? Narrator is the storyteller. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles her under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. Snuggles means to be in a comfortable position or to be in a comfortable position. Mutters is to whisper, to speak in low voice. Narrator says, in the 6 in the morning, the alarm clock rang. Neha was still sleeping. She took her pillow and put it on her ears. She doesn't want to get up like sometimes you do. Neha, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Neha doesn't want to get up early in the morning. She likes to sleep little more. She wishes that alarm clock stops working its job. Narrator. Something falls. Neha smiles. Neha's wish comes true. Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Neha's wish comes true. Narrator. Next morning there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the window sill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Window sill is the bottom part of a window. As the alarm clock fell and broke, Neha thought that there is no one who will wake her up today. But there was another thing who waked her up. Those were the chirpy birds. They asked Neha to get up. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator, Neha gets up with the start. Neha, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Now Neha's second wish was that birds should leave her alone. Narrator, even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Neha, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Why is sun disturbing me? Narrator, even this wish of Neha's come true. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother, wake up sleepy head, you will miss the bus. Now Neha's mother waked her up. Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Narrator, there is no escape now. There is no chance of leaving. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Now Neha is confused. Alarm clock is not working, birds are not chirping, sun is behind the clouds. Then who woke me today? Mother, who else? You, of course. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day? At 1 in the afternoon? Neha, I feel hungry. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up. Neha, oh ho, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother, relax. Today is Sunday. Neha, oh. So students, this was the story of Neha. First, alarm clock woke her up. She wished it stops working. The alarm clock fell down and broke. Next day, chirpy birds woke her up. Again, she wished that birds should leave her alone. On the next day, sun woke her up. She wished sun should disappear. And her wish comes true. On the next day, the sun was behind the clouds. In the end, when there was no one to woke her up, she waked up herself. She woke up herself because of the alarm clock. There is no tick-tick clock in your body. It is your body itself that tells you the time. That tells you when you have to eat, when do you need to play, when you are sleeping, feeling sleepy. It's your body that manages with the time, with your routine. Now, let us learn new words and their meaning. Narrator. Narrator is the person who tells stories. Storyteller. Alarm clock. A clock with a device that can be made to sound at the set time. We generally use alarm clocks to get up early in the morning. Snuggles. To be in a comfortable position, as Neha snuggled in her pillow. Snores. Sound of snorting, grunting while sleeping. You must have listened while your mother or father is sleeping. They might be making some sounds. जिसे खर्राटे भी कहते हैं. Escape. Run away or get free. The prisoner escaped from the jail. Rush. Hurry. Relax. Free from tension. Windsill. The bottom part of the window is known as windsill. Now, let us do a small activity. I am writing a word here. We have to write different words related to this main word. Morning. You have to write those words which are particularly related with the word morning. Like, we wake up in the morning. Newspaper. We get newspaper in the morning. Next word is morning walk. We go for morning walk early in the morning. Brushing teeth and taking bath. Sunshine of sun, as we get rays of sun. Any other word? questions given in your worksheet. Hope you liked the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.